Hi friends, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, we are going to start about a new topic about our new chapter in our science class. So now in our chapter we have is matter around us is pure. We are going to start a new chapter which name is matter around us pure. In this chapter we are going to know about that the matter around us are pure or not. So before get starting, I have to say you that in previous classes we have covered our topics like many topics like of our matter matters in our surrounding, and we have covered its 4 5 units of it, and we have explained it, and we have summarized also in previous video. In previous video I have made it one video in which I was summarizing it in very clear way by writing a worksheet. In that worksheet I have written points, and after I was reading that points and I was explaining in deep way, and it was easy to understand and clear to understand, so you can go and watch that video also. Now in this video we are going to say things see about our matter around us pure. Firstly, first pure matter, first pure substance of two types are elements and compounds. The elements means the single atom like gold, oxygen, iron, fire, aluminium, aluminium foil in kitchen, which is there in kitchen. So these are the elements, and these are not natural substance. The elements means the subjects the subjects which are not natural, which is made up of some things. Now now we are going to learn about compounds. Compounds means two or wait two or more elements in fixed ratio like water, salt, fixed melting time, fixed boiling points, ice. And ice, all you know that ice always melt at 0 C. So these are the meaning of the compounds. The compounds means two or more elements in fixed ratio like water, salt, fixed melting boiling points like ice, which is melted on 0. These are the compounds. Now we are going to learn about the types of mixtures. Now in types of mixtures, there are so many types of mixtures. So we will learn one by one all of them. First one is solutions, suspensions, colloids, Tyndall effect. So these are the three some types of mixture in our matters. Now what is a solution? Solution is made up of an homogeneous matter, and it is an solution means it is an homogeneous matter, and it looks uniform like salt in water, clear, no setting, solute salt plus solvent in water, allows like brass, copper plus zinc. These are the things which are the homogeneous. Now what are the suspension? Suspensions are heterogeneous, which are the big particles which get settled down and settle down like muddy water, chalk powder in water, scattered light. These are the suspensions. Suspensions. Now, now collides. Now collides. What are the collides? Collides means collides means in between. Collides means like you can see there in milk and fog butter, milk fog butter particle don't settle but visible under microscope. Like you can see they make an tyndall effect. Shine torch beam appears, like shining torch, beaming up beaming beams, they are tyndall effect. And also the collides, they are also tyndall effects. So these are the things which are the homogeneous, heterogeneous, and collides and tidal effect, which are made up of tidal effects. Now, how to separate mixtures? There are so many forms to separate the mixtures. I will explain you here one by one all the forms. Okay. First one is hand picking, which is too hard to remove the bad, remove the, which is made up of, made for the removing the bad fruits. Now, threshing. What is threshing? Cleaning grains. Okay, cleaning grains is winnowing, cleaning grains. Threshing means making them threshed, means making them powder, and the larger particles will get removed. And winnowing means they, there is an utensils and product which is like an uh, as a plate, a big plate, which in that they puts all the rice, and after that rice, or like examples like rice, grains, they put grains, and then removing the larger bad particles and all, they will winnow it, like the they will jump off the jump the they will make the jump, they make the grains to jump. After getting jumped, the smaller particles and larger particles come up, and they remove by the hands. Now, what filtration? Filtration. What is filtration? Filtration means the tea strainer for leaves. You can see the tea yeah, has so many things like powder, the powder and leaves. They for leaves and tea strainer, the filtration are used. For tea powder and tea leaves, they used to do filtration from an product which is a net, which has net, and they put the water of the tea from that, and the larger particle get here, and the water get in down in the sub utensils. So like this, filtration works. Now evaporation. Evaporation works like an sea salt from water, like sea salt from water. Now you can't understand what does it mean, sea salt from water means what? Means if you remove the sea salt from the water, they used to do evaporation, like take one beaker or a bottle and put water and salt in it. After some time, seal that water, and after some time you can see the salt get come up with the water, which is getting evaporated. Like that evaporation works. I hope you understand what are the things which I have explained you now, and I have explained in very clear way. So I hope you understand what are the matter around us, and how many matters, and what does it mean by mixtures and all. I hope you understand what are the mixtures and matters, like and so how to separate them, like hand picking, filtration, threshing, evaporation, and threshing, winnowing. These are the activities. These are the things which we use in our daily life to remove separate the mixtures. Now, I hope you understand what I have explained in this video. If you understand, thanks for watching my video. We will meet in tomorrow's next video. Bye bye.